Hello, I'm Matsuzaki. I'm Asaki Matsuzaki, a psychiatrist. Welcome to this YouTube channel about psychiatry. Let me introduce who I am. I am a psychiatrist. I work in psychiatry at a hospital in Japan, both outpatient and inpatient. And I am teaching psychiatry as a lecturer at the University of Tsukuba. I have also received the Best Teacher Award at the School of Medicine many times. I have also published books on psychiatry. I have published books for healthcare professionals involved in psychiatry, mainly psychiatrists, and I have also published books for the general public to easily understand psychiatry. Unfortunately, those books are written in Japanese. One of them has been translated into multiple languages. However, it's not in English. And now I have to gather a bit of courage to say this. We Japanese tend to be humble, so we usually don't talk about ourselves like this. That said, to be completely honest, I am quite well known among mental health professionals in Japan. And I've been fortunate to earn both popularity and trust over the years. Just do me a favor. Don't tell the Japanese people I said this about myself. And I'm also a Japanese YouTuber sharing mental health. Besides this channel you're currently watching, I also manage 2 other channels that focus on psychiatry. If you understand Japanese, check out those channels too. They cover psychiatry and mental health. However, if you don't understand Japanese and you're interested in psychiatry, then this channel is the best for you. What do I talk about on this channel? I talk about professional topics related to psychiatry, so the content can be helpful for mental health professionals as well. At the same time, I try to keep things clear and enjoyable, so even if you're not in the medical field, you'll still enjoy them. All right, if you are interested, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And what video are you going to watch next? I'll see you in the next one.